Now, students, we have read that the king served the bearded man and the bearded man asked for his forgiveness. The king became very happy as he has won over a friend. He has got a friend. Leaving the wounded man, the king went out of the hut and looked round for the hermit. He searched for the hermit. Before going away, he wished once more to get answers to his questions. The hermit was on his knees, sowing seeds in the beds that had been dug the day before. So, students, the beds were dug by the king and the hermit was sowing seeds in them. The king went up to the hermit and said, "For the last time, I beg you to answer my questions, wise men." "You have already been answered," said the hermit, still bending down to the ground and looking up at the king as he stood before him. "You have already been answered." The hermit told the king that he had been answered, but the king was confused as he did not understand that he had not been answered by the hermit, and still the hermit is saying that he had been answered. So this was a weird thing for him to understand. "How have I been answered? What do you mean?" "Do you not see?" replied the hermit. "If you had not pitied my weakness yesterday and had not dug these beds for me, you would have gone away." So students, you have read that the king offered help to the hermit, okay, and then he got tired and then he had to stay. So this was all planned by the destiny. Then that man would have attacked you and you would have wished you had stayed with me. The enemy was there waiting for him on the way to kill him, but when he saw that the king had not returned, he escaped from his hidden place and got wounded by the bodyguard. If the king had returned, the king would have been killed. This is what the hermit is trying to explain to the king. So the most important time was when you were digging the beds. The hermit told him that the most important time was when he was digging the beds, and I was the most important man, and to do me good was your most important business. Means to help me, it was your most important business at that time. Afterwards, when the men ran to us, the most important time was when you were caring for him, because if you had not dressed his wounds, he would have died without having made peace with you. So he was the most important man, and what you did for him was your most important business. Remember that there is only one time that is important, and that time is now. Students, these lines are very important. It is the most important time because it is the only time we have any power to act. So the most important time is now, the present. We should always live in present. The most necessary person is the person you are with at a particular moment. For no one knows what will happen in the future and whether we will meet anyone else. So the persons who are around us, they are the most important. Your family, your friends, these persons are the most important, because we never know we are going to meet them in future or not, okay, because life is unpredictable, okay. It is not necessary that we will always meet a person the next time. The most important business is to do that person good, because we were sent into this world for that purpose alone. And the most important thing, the most important work, the most important business is to do good for all, okay, to serve people, because we are sent by God on this earth to serve others, okay. It is our prime duty to serve the mankind. So students, this was the lesson, 3 questions. The king got the answers and he returned. If you have any doubt in this lesson, you can ask. Thank you.